Motungata ma urigiti thibitari-ini cia muingi kaunti-ini ya Nairobi ni matanyitwo gucokereria muthenya wa rucio thutha wa arigitani aria maraigite mirothi kuiguithaniria gucokereria mihang'o ya wira. Motungata guku makoretwo mathararite ihinda-ini ria thiku 45 na ona gutuika makaya maria arigitani maratetagia thirikari ya kaunti matinakinyanirio maiguithaniirie kurugamia mugomo ihinda-ini ria thiku 30.
On Friday they went to court and we were ordered that we need to suspend the strike, and we are the law abiding citizens and we met our members and we agreed that we are suspending the strike.
Prioritize health, prioritize doctors, prioritize patients, and agree on that. It was 95% done. So we come on Monday and they start telling us excuses. We have to look into the matter of do a financial analysis, look at the budget. And while we were discussing and negotiating, they had already agreed on this thing. They knew how much it will cost. Now, this is just an excuse.
Makaya ma arigitani aya makoretwo ari kwaga gukinyanirio kwa mubango wa insurance. Arigitani aria makinyaniirie ikiro gukorwo matambatirietio ngathi ihinda-ini ria miaka 5. Arigitani aria mari mubango-ini wa NMS gukorwo matari marihwo marihi mao manjoherera gatagati-ini ka mangi.
Nairobi County employees are suffering, not only doctors, everyone we are suffering. SHA is not working, and we are still saying SHA is not working at all. And imekata kabisa, no matter how they are forcing it, imekata.
The executive comes to negotiate with us, but they don't have the power. They don't have the power even to make sure that whatever we agree on can be seen to fruition. That is the problem with this county. It's just people playing different games. One is playing football in the same field, the other is playing tennis, the other is swimming in the same field.
Arigitani ayo na kuri uguo matariirie angikorwo gutire mogaruruku megukinyanirio ihinda-ini ria thiku 30 matigukorwo na wiki otiga kuiga mirothi na gucokereria mirurungano.
You prioritize giving a child food and you can't prioritize giving that child health so that they can even eat that food.
Same county has the audacity to write us a letter that if we don't go back to work, we are going to be in contempt. And it is the same county which has been in contempt since April 2024.
Mahinyiriirie thirikari gwitikira kuhingia ciiraniro amuriria motungata matharara thibitari-ini cia muingi. Arwaru nio momagira kuona namba nene ndikoragwo na uhoti wa kumatha motungata thibitari-ini cia andu kiumbe. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Getwo Wambui wa Njuguna.